At Sealed Air's Food Care Division, we reimagine the food and beverage industries we serve in order to create a world that feels, tastes, and works better. At the core of all our solutions is a commitment to sustainability. And for us, sustainability has as much to do with ensuring the long-term viability of your business as it does preserving the natural environment. When it comes to giving fluids processors and food service operators a competitive edge, look no further than our CryoVac portfolio of innovative vertical pouch packaging. Our solutions are ideal for a wide range of pumpable foods with or without particulates under hot or cold conditions. Our breadth of solutions and services provide fluids processors with the lowest total packaging costs while boosting food safety, increasing operational efficiency, extending shelf life, and building brand perceptions. Food safety is a top priority at Sealed Air, and our systems boast superior quality seals that reduce leakers, are BPA-free, and offer excellent abuse resistance and durability in distribution. Additionally, products can be rethermalized in the package to help reduce cross-contamination, and easy open features can eliminate the need for sharp tools at the point of use. In terms of operational efficiency, our reliable vertical pouch systems provide industry-leading weight control and are accompanied by our dedicated and local technical service, helping you minimize downtime and run a smarter business. Additionally, we offer a wide range of systems from entry-level to high-volume output, which means you can minimize packaging costs by choosing the system that's right for you. We offer a variety of materials with different barrier levels to maximize the freshness of your product from packaging all the way through the point of use. To aid in brand building, our materials are designed to help you maintain the color and quality of your product during packing and on the shelf. Our diverse family of innovative CryoVac on-pack systems is renowned as the industry standard, delivering value and meaningful benefits that others can't. When you partner with Sealed Air, you can enjoy the peace of mind knowing you're alongside industry experts with more than 30 years in the fluids packaging industry, offering technological innovations like remote diagnostic capabilities. We offer our full support, from tech service to spare parts, to keep your business up and running with minimal downtime. Our rapid response, professional tech service is local, and typical lead times for spare parts are usually 24 hours from order to shipment. We offer a wide range of systems tailored to meet your specific needs and application, like our impressively efficient workhorse, the CryoVac On-Pack 3002. This versatile machine produces packages from 16 to 256 ounces and can handle hot or ambient temperature products with or without fitments. The 3002 offers variable speeds of up to 70 packs per minute, depending on package size, product viscosity, and film type. Our CryoVac On-Pack 2045 is an entry-level system capable of handling mid-volume and is designed for a smaller range of sizes. It can produce packages from 6 to 100 ounces while operating at speeds of up to 25 packages per minute, depending, of course, on pack size and product viscosity. For the smallest pack sizes with high volumes, we offer our CryoVac On-Pack 2052. A high-speed multi-lane system, the 2052 fills pouches from 3 to 80 ounces at speeds up to 240 packages per minute. Capable of 2 or 4-lane configuration, the 2052 proves that good things do come in smaller packages. Through our continued innovation, we are proud to introduce the CryoVac On-Pack 3007, featuring 2-part fill technology, allowing you to control your liquid-to-solids ratio with extreme precision. Solids can be fed into the system by a bucket conveyor or scale. This unique system is yet another testament to our commitment in providing you with continuous improvement to deliver optimal value to your business. When it comes to materials, our FS series of films is engineered to use on our CryoVac On-Pack systems, optimizing the efficiency of your operation. The FS series materials are customized to meet the needs of your application. To offer processors an unprecedented amount of customization, all our materials are available in a variety of sizes, gauges, barrier, and printing options. For products that are especially oxygen sensitive, we offer Freshness Plus technology that optimizes freshness and shelf life. The oxygen-absorbing barrier uses breakthrough technology that is invisible to consumers. Scavenging components provide a higher level of protection from oxygen compared to standard barrier materials that only contain a passive barrier. When compared with rigid alternatives, such as metal cans, our Cryovac vertical pouch packaging pouches demonstrate their true potential to literally transform your business. For starters, rolls of plastic film are much easier to store than metal cans, and once they're filled, they're less expensive to ship. Additionally, our convenient pouches can be easily stored by the end user and offer effortless and virtually complete product evacuation, which means less waste. Pouches take up less space. Empty pouches weigh less, and less time is spent on handling waste, thereby reducing costs. And finally, the flexible food service pouch consumes 75% less energy than the metal can and generates 1/10 the CO2 emissions, ideal for a growing list of pumpable foods. Our Cryovac portfolio of advanced vertical pouch packaging materials and systems can help you run a smarter, more profit-sustaining fluids operation. Contact your local sales representative for more information or visit sealedair.com/foodcare today.